So the next step is just simply removing the head screws. There are 2 screws on either side of the head of Vector, and this head does want to kind of fall apart, so you kind of have to hold the 2 halves together as you're taking things apart, or everything will just fall apart right in your hands. Alright, so all 4 screws have been removed, and then the head should just separate in half. The front faceplate comes out, the 2 side halves come off, the top half comes up, and then there's just a little plug right here in the back